In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best blenders. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best blenders. Number 5, Neutra Bullet Blender. The Neutra Bullet blender is a versatile and powerful option that packs a punch at 1200 watts. This blender is designed to handle everything from smoothies to food prep, making it a great all-in-one kitchen tool. With a 64-ounce capacity, it's perfect for large batches, whether you're blending up a smoothie for the whole family or prepping ingredients for a big meal. The Neutra Bullet is known for its straightforward, no-fuss operation, which makes it ideal for those who want efficiency without the complexity of more advanced models. Number 4, KitchenAid K400 Blender. The KitchenAid K400 is a blender that offers a balance between power and control. With its variable speed dial and 1200-watt motor, the K400 can tackle everything from thick soups to smooth, creamy smoothies. One of its standout features is the personal blending jar, which adds versatility, allowing you to blend and go without needing extra containers. The robust motor, paired with expertly designed blades, ensures that even the toughest ingredients, like ice and nuts, are blended to perfection. Number 3, Breville Super Q Blender. The Breville Super Q Blender is a premium model that offers unmatched power and versatility. With a staggering 1800-watt motor, this blender can tackle anything you throw at it, from ice and frozen fruits to dense vegetables and nuts. The Super Q features multiple preset functions, including a personal blending cup option, which makes it incredibly versatile for different blending tasks. Its innovative noise reduction technology also ensures a quieter blending experience, which is a nice bonus for early morning smoothies. The large capacity, powerful motor, and range of functions make it suitable for both everyday use and more demanding tasks. Number 2, Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja BN701 is a powerhouse that combines affordability with high performance. With its 1400 peak watt motor, this blender can crush ice, blend frozen drinks, and even whip up homemade ice cream. It features 3 Auto IQ programs, which take the guesswork out of blending by offering preset functions for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for large batches, making it a great option for families or those who love to entertain. Number 1, Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is a professional-grade machine designed for those who take their blending seriously. Its 48-ounce container is compact yet capable, making it ideal for both small and medium-sized batches. The E310 comes equipped with a powerful motor and variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune the texture of your blends. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butters, this blender offers the power and precision needed for consistent results every time. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best blenders. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.